What if humanity never discovered coins, gold, or paper money? What if, from the dawn of civilization, people trusted not kings or banks, but code? A world where the marketplace runs on mathematics, where power isn't printed, it's mined. In this timeline, there are no coins to melt, no vaults to rob, no banks to fail, only encrypted trust flowing through invisible chains. Welcome to the world where crypto existed instead of money. In our real history, money shaped everything. It built empires, funded wars, and gave birth to corruption. From Lydia's first coins to Rome's golden age, power was printed and controlled. But money was always fragile, a symbol, not reality. Its value existed only because we believed in it. Now imagine, instead of coins, the Lydians mined digital blocks. Instead of writing trade on clay tablets, they recorded encrypted transactions. Each citizen had a digital identity. No need for kings to approve, no priests to guard the treasury. Every block of data carved into eternity. If money was decentralized, kings could never control the economy. No taxes without transparency, no empires without approval. The divine right of kings would crumble before the power of code. Blockchain would become the new religion, not worshipped, but trusted. Leonardo da Vinci sketching blockchain algorithms. Isaac Newton not studying gravity, but cryptography. Templars mining Ethereum under the cathedrals. Art, science, and code merge into one. A renaissance not of paint, but of data. When the Industrial Revolution arrives, factories mine energy, not metal. Every machine becomes part of the chain. Power shifts from empires to engineers. No corruption, they said, but power always adapts. Whales replace kings. Algorithms become gods. A perfect economy or a perfect cage. When everything is transparent, do we still have freedom? If every coin is traceable, does privacy still exist? In a crypto world, everyone becomes their own bank. Powerful, but accountable. Freedom demands responsibility and knowledge. Maybe one day, history will say, the first humans were enslaved by money. The next were liberated by code.